I don't want to look at the cost of argument.
I still tell you the price, so that's why I'm asking for.
I'm not business about the price. One go do it. So me
This is the other one.
Price not really matter.
See other one here. It's the other one. Because you're plain, I don't really want to wear this one.
How much? 100 inch shot?
To the
The one you get hot in the house, you know. I complain.
A braid, you're not going to get hot. You just tie it up and drop it in my big bonnet.
But today I got rid.
I told them if you do it, you know.
The lady in set the appointment already.
I said it already.
Just pump some milk and go on. Me and Chooks go and go on.
This is going to take hours. Chooks.
The girl fast, not take no what.
No, this, they not
the same
go.
girl with the hair last time.
Yeah, you not go braid big.
Authentic's a number 2.
Number 2, I pink one she like.
Guys, I'm going to give it to a Galaxy. Bumbo Club, we are chatting remote study. They're going to do Galaxy, we can buy 2 bottles.
I saw it a go plat, fine. You don't want it plat big. I want it plat fine so the ear does not fan pretty.
We're going to do Galaxy chat so we can buy 2 bottles of water. The Bumbo Club, I'm thirsty.
I like the first one too, Jano. Authentic, I like the other one, but I like this one and be not even look. Not even look, bro.
Guys, I don't want to have no say about our hair. And if I say something about her hair and I say I don't like that, she gonna feel some type of way. So me, I am saying, I don't have nothing to say to it.
Oh, the 2 last longer. The pink braid. I gotta just play it for me, man. One. Come.
What do you have to do?
Bad time. I'm bad time. They must say number 2.
Bathroom, yeah?
No, the ear.
Oh, you say
the
number
pink
2,
and black
bathroom,
one.
yeah?
They must say the pink and black one. But I'm not gonna lie, one with the color there, so with a rocket. I'm not gonna lie with the color.
Yeah, yeah, and them go and chat now.
One with the color would have it with some nice friggin' lashes, right? That one they would have eat. But put in braces still, joke my neck. Cannot do my teeth.
Oh yeah, ask me if I right.
Not less too. Yo, I said it now, I bro. Me just like the first one.
Excuse me.
Yeah, go.
You're not going anywhere, just don't make the camera take some.
I like the first one. Them only yellow. I like the first one. Jano. Nikki said the second one. Everybody said the second one. Like they wear the hairstyle before and they get knocked up on them.
Green on the club.
First one.
See that.
Nothing no lie.
Guys, we're gonna 2 Galaxy there, man. Pussy clock, man. Please.
Guys, we're gonna 2 Galaxy.
I must say we have to eat, you know, man. I'm telling you, say we are thirsty. Buy over 2 bottles of water, man. Jesus Christ.
Last locks tear out your head.
Which one I last then?
Say number 2, mine lasts for 6 months.
Mighty God, man. You don't have no man.
You can do
6 months, girl. You don't have no man. Jesus Christ. What you not safe for? You not safe to buy one house?
no, the locks ain't tear out here, bro.
Eh? That girl you will do her hair for 6 months and don't change your one hairstyle for 6 months.
Daniel.
How much she not do? Save you something?
No, she tell you how long the ear go
She not
last.
your partner?
At least she keep it in her head, car. You know, the thing can joke. Look, she's listen to me. She said, if you do this a style or me one, the first one with the color, she'll give me for 23,000, but usually she will charge $25,000. Of course.
So what making us start braid here every day?
More weird.
We don't talk about you like to go on day. I say why you not start braid here every day? You need to start take bookings.
Yes, me know.
Blood clot, I make what they are, bro.
Me know. Stalin, that me work for B and stop me look little bit.
Bro, I'm just running a sarcastic joke. Can you just take a joke as it is?
So,
everything is like personal.
me don't say a joke that.
You can't run nothing up here. That realize.
You have to understand that I'm not a funny person.
If you understand, you need to understand.
And when you are running a joke, you can't say it to serious afterwards. You tell me say a joke.
It's called sarcasm.
Yeah, but you say sarcasm and then you behave something there.
Alright,
Tikas, what is wrong with you? You can't go find something. But yeah. Don't watch this.
It's gonna get pretty boo.
Right.
Stop, eat this up. Stand up. Let go. Let go. Stand up. Let go. Yeah. Wash your hands.
Okay.
Guys, they're gonna do Galaxy there. I'm gonna try to show reason now. Go work out in a life.
Big up yourself, Brett, for drawing. Done?
No. Yeah, that's fine.
You have one. Oh! Oh, you see that you're so fast. Guys, we're going to one Galaxy that 23 into the ear. No, girl, you have to buy the ear.
You have to buy the ear differently.
Oh, good.
She have about 12 pack.
She said 9 packs. A 9 pack, not even so.
Well, you do 9, and if you're smart enough, you buy 12.
That's too much. What that? The 9 pack of bread?
You have to be in your head and your foot. And
So
your
what the 23 for? She said 23,000 for the ear.
You have to watch your hair too.
We do the style, with the color one. 9 pack of bread would I do it. 23 should include the ear, no? The ear not included, yeah.
23 should that include what?
The ear, the bread, them.
Them don't know say it depends on length. They don't see how long she want it. She want it with the ground.
The length, the right of my knee. Mum buck like it right on my knee, my knee it a go drop. My knee. Oh. Someone forgot that for a year. Hey.
I don't know.
Right, that's a lot. It should be included. Which hairstyle? May I show you?
Actually, said
We can't do it, you know, but it just I take me a couple days. This one here. Yeah, if I do it myself.
Now go waste my money buy so much bread for your later, sir.
This style here, I really like. I really love this style. It's just eating. Oh my god. My head with that. I love that style. I want it for my Mother's Day. I like it. See? Oh. I showed them the hairstyle.
But they not put nothing towards it.
Daniel!
I'm not begging not to give you put towards it. I'm not hearing much of it. I'm going to tell you she have children in my house so far. I have children of where they have planned for you or something.
You know,
and nobody would have helped me.
I charged him to do it with them just by here. I know some they know somebody Maya, but suppose they live far away.
So in India,
and then they do here good enough because of the then charge because of the length and the curl that we're going
Kerisha, they put 2 donuts.
Kerisha, thank you for putting 2 donuts towards my hairstyle. like idiot.
15 cents. That's a year while ago.
That's a lot of money.
15 cents?
That's a lot of money towards it.
No, you must not got Kingston, no.
No, bro! Kingston really have the cheap and co.
I don't be in the time for the
yeah, I know.
Me I'm green now. I said Chooks want faint. To replace hot. You want it? It's up a bit. I put him out. Yeah, I'm forward chat. Give me a minute. Yes, when I was still on board, they literally, they are telling the truth. Please, look at the signal. You want to look for it? Who wants to look for it? Mine is obviously true. You have to look for it. What have to think about? This is a look on here, chat. Not forward. Guys, I'm not big on a couple galaxies now, man. Can't bother with the negative every day. Me too. Thank you. So when I be there, that she want that, you do it. Anyway, so if you look on here. I want a negative bubble. I want negative. I'm not dealing with a negative over here. So the same thing. What the code for the tablet?
13. And I help going down.
And what?
18. And carry crossway. See? That's how start. That's a good over. It's a pretty team.
What you change the code for? Are people who have money with their
Talia. Office.
You know? It's locked back.
Talia. That's funny, Talia.
Alia, your name. When woman, Abigail Wagwan, when woman are locked, then they device them and change passcode. Normally, no man they have. Live your best life. You believe me, say my phone don't have a code for the chat? My phone don't have a code for it. Matter of fact, I don't even use a phone. You believe me that? I don't even use a fucking phone. Which one is hairstyle? That's why I'm telling you, show me them, you know. Me not like none of them. And why make you pick that the big head girl if take a picture of her? Nobody else know what did it? What is? That's one long hair hang down by you. And the top of it flat. Tell her I say no make me look funny, you know. Me not like it. And then that one there with the green sitting in it. How you go vote for Labour?
Not green, and then the green one that here.
The one with the pink and blue and something?
The one with the pink and blue in front.
I just lent you one, you know, on a hairstyle. I lent this. This is not a hairstyle. This is just platin some tall here.
No melon.
You can't do something sophisticated.
You can't move yourself. That's not sophisticated. Where do you go sleep?
Round there. Buckler 340 broke people there, boy. Rough to pussy, like, big up on yourself still.